Hello, welcome to Wallace Company's tutorial on how to properly set your store's boat. As you can see, we consider the front of the boat closest to the front door. As you may know, our store's boats are primarily stocked with products from Gigi's Commissary, one of the many companies under the Wallace umbrella. Our commissary staff work very hard to produce fresh, delicious food at a great price. A properly organized boat will allow for air to flow near the vents, thereby maintaining a consistent temperature. Neatly arranging items so that they do not block your boat's air vents will also create an aesthetically pleasing boat. Please take note of the items' labels, which should be visible to passers-by. These labels contain vital information not only to our guests, but to our staff, whose job is to help rotate product. Also note that the area furthest away from the door should be reserved for commercial products not from the commissary. These items may include jerkies, cheeses, and energy drinks, chosen by your store's manager. We understand that every store is a little different, but please refer to the attached planogram to maintain a consistent look company-wide. We want to ensure that our own products look and taste amazingly fresh. Daily upkeep of your boat should include a regular wipe down with approved sanitizing solution with every shift, and regular rotation of your product. Your boat should be deep cleaned once a month. Thermometers must be kept inside your boat to monitor its temperature. If your boat reaches 40 degrees Fahrenheit for more than 30 minutes, product must be pulled and maintenance called. Make sure that your temperatures are consistently logged every shift. Thank you for your interest on how to best apply your talents to your store's boat.